morning, everyone. Welcome back to Resin Me Up. So guess what? We're going to do this mold today from the Resin Molds box. Now, what we're going to do, I've never done before. So these are the colors that I've chosen to marble this with. And I've decided these are the craft resin colors. I need to experiment more with these. And so I've chosen the magenta, the lavender, the lime, the blue, and the white. I've mixed up 325 mLs of resin. We're going to put in 50 mLs in each one of these, and we're going to mix up some resin. So yeah, and then we're just going to mix in some glue and we're going to marble this base. And I watch Ben and Nicole over at Ben's Works, and so they do this all the time. And so I thought, you know what, I'm going to give this a shot. And they always do their what they call their paddle pop colors. And so I thought, you know, why not? So that's what we're going to try today. Boy, this white is really chunky. And we're going to dissolve each one of them with some alcohol. Looks like this one really needs to be dissolved because it's really chunky. It's like chalk. I may have to add some other white because that's ew. I don't even know if I even like that. Yuck. Nope. Not doing it. So we're going to get the pearl white out because that's terrible. Let me grab the pearl white here. That almost looks like the Let's Resin neons. That's what that looked like. Don't quite need that much. I think that should do it. Okay. That looks a lot better. More like mica powder. Okay, so there's the white. Okay, I am going to go and run these through my vacuum chamber, and then we're going to come back and we're going to add glue, and then we're going to get to pouring. Okay, all right, BRB. Okay, glue, glue, glue. And like I said, this is not very much resin, so I'm only going to do like a half a drop. All right, I'm going to put these in the order that I want them. So I think I'm going to go purple, blue, white, just like that. Okay. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to go put this in the pressure pot and we'll see you guys on demold. Okay, bye. Hey y'all, welcome back. Guess what time it is? It's time to demold this. Let's see how she turned out. It looks pretty from this side. So let's see how it looks. On the inside. Let's see if I can get this to roll. Oh, wow. Look at that, y'all. Isn't that cool? That turned out great. All those colors. Spectacular. Like it. I like it a lot. Every single color, you can see every single color. I was trying to decide if I wanted to enhance those geometric lines to make them stand out. And if I did, what color would I use? I was thinking black would look really kind of cool. Hold on just a second. Okay, so I got my black pen out. And I think that's going to look pretty cool. And then I'll show you what we're going to do next. You have to have a really steady hand. Okay. I need to go in and clean up where I touched everything with my finger. Okay, I think that is pretty good. Let me get this off my finger. All right, BRB. Okay, we are going to put black rhinestones in between each one of these. I got out some sparkly ones thinking maybe, you know, those might look good, but they don't. They look way off. That looks good. Okay, now we're going to go along and we're going to put one down here at the bottom. And then that's it. You've been fed, Missy. I heard it. Shh. She's so loud. The husband just got home and just fed her, so I know she's been fed. One more. That looks good. Now, I wasn't going to put anything on the top, but what do you guys think about just out the outer edge? Do you think that'd be too much? I mean, because I think if you're going to put anything in it, like pens or anything like that, I think that's good. I think I like it just like that. I mean, I could take my pen and just go around the edge of it. This is the one I was using. Yep. So let's move this out of the way. And we'll just go around the edge. Just the edge. There. Okay, now I'll just clean up where I made my mistakes here real quick. And then we will be done. I think it looks good. I love those colors. And I love the jar. And the added black rhinestones and the lines really make it pretty. I think it makes the colors really pop. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think in the comments. Tell me what you think about the color combination. And hit that like button if you really liked it. And yeah, I like it. And this was the Diamond Weave Geometric Pot. And it was inspired by Artisan Bakery, or Basketry, I guess it is. So you can use it for pens, makeup brushes, and craft tools. So yeah, I like it. I will get pictures, put it at the end of the video, and you guys let me know what you think. All right, well, that's it for me today. So I appreciate you guys coming in with me on this video. And tomorrow is coasting through the week, and I have a special treat for you guys tomorrow, because Michelle from Glitz and Glitter has given me a request. So you might want to stay tuned for that to see what she's asked me to do. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Have a great night. We'll see ya. Bye.